Hi guys, so here we've got expand and simplify. So first of all, you need to be able to expand single brackets before you have a look at this. So if you're not able to expand things like this already, then go back and have a look at expanding single brackets first, because it'll help you. So if I was to take this down here anyway, 3 is outside the bracket, so 3 multiplied by x would be 3x, and 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 5 is minus 15. So when you've got something just outside brackets like that, you multiply it in by both terms. So if we look at the two examples up here anyway, basically what you've got is you've got two of them beside each other. So what I'm going to do first anyway, I'm just going to multiply in as normal. So if you kind of look at the first one, 7 multiplied by 5d plus 7, if you kind of forget about this whole second bracket altogether, if you just multiply in the first one, it'll be 35d, because 7 times 5 is 35, and then multiply by d, plus 7 times 7 is 49. Alright, I've multiplied out that set of brackets. Then I kind of have the same, another set of brackets that I'm going to need to multiply out as well. So 8 multiplied by 6d is 48d, and 8 multiplied by 9 is 72. It's a positive 72. When I get to here then, I can actually simplify a little bit further. So if you think back to when you did collecting like terms, so you can put together things that are the same. So in this one I can put together the two d's. So it's a positive 35, it's a positive 48d. Then I can put the two numbers together, because this 49 and this 72, they're just numbers that don't have variables, so I can just combine those two as well. Then so 35d plus 48d would be 83d. So 35 plus 48 is 83, and I can do 49 plus 72, so that would be 121. So that's my answer then to the first one, to the first example. Remember, I can't add the two, I can't add the 83 and the 121 then, because they're not like terms. So 83 has d beside it and 121 is on its own. The second example, I'm going to do the same thing again. So 3 multiplied by 4u would be 12u. 3 multiplied by 8 is 24. Sorry. So minus 6 then multiplied by 2u would be minus 12u. Just be careful with the minus again. And then it's a minus 6 multiplied by positive 9, so that's minus 54. So again, I can combine the like terms. So if I put these boxes around again, it just helps me to see that the sign in front stays with it. So I'm going to put the u's together first. Now I've got a 12u, and then this in the third box here is a minus 12u, so I have to bring the minus with it onto the next line. Then I've got a positive 24, so plus 24, and I've got a minus 54. So remember, the sign stays in front. The 12u take away 12u then, well, if you have 12u take away 12u, just be really careful. It's not 1u or it's not u, it's 0u. So you could put down 0u if you want, or you could just put down 0, or you can just kind of leave it as nothing. You could just leave it blank underneath, because 12u take away 12u is 0. Second part is 24 minus 54. So if you have 24 and you take away 54, you're going way back into the minus numbers, so you're going to get minus 30 there. So your answer is 0u minus 30, or just minus 30. So you can just simplify it to minus 30. So here's two similar questions if you want to pause the video and have a try at them, and then play it on and I'll go through the answers. So 6 multiplied by e is 6e. 6 multiplied by 5f would be 30f. Then 2 multiplied by e is 2e, so plus 2e. And 2 multiplied by minus 3f would be minus 6f. So I actually have two variables in this question. So a little bit different examples. Next step is to put the like terms together. So I've got a 6e, I've got a 30f, I've got a 2e, and then I've got a minus 6f. So again, the minus in front of that 6f is important. So if I'm putting the like terms together, I get 6e plus 2e plus 30f minus 6f. And then I can combine the two e's, so 6e plus 2e is 8e, and 30f minus 6f is 24f. So plus 24f, so 8e plus 24f. My second question then, 3 multiplied by m is 3m, 3 multiplied by 3n is 9n, 2 multiplied by m is 2m, and 2 multiplied by minus 3n is minus 6n. Next step is to put the like terms together, so I can put the m's together and I can put the n's together. I can't add an m to an n. So 3m plus 2m plus 9n minus 6n. So 3m plus 2m would be 5m. Then 9n take away 6n would be 3n. So my final answer again is 5m plus 3n.